Hello and welcome. My name's George, and my channel is all about helping you get the most out of Logic Pro so that you can record and produce your best music in your home studio. Today, I'm doing a little bit of a different video. The channel just recently surpassed the 10,000 subscriber mark, and this is a big milestone for me, and I wanted to give a big thank you to you for watching these videos and encouraging me to keep creating these over the last few years. I started posting more videos to YouTube back in 2020 when we were full on in the COVID-19 pandemic. And it kind of all came from that. For me, all my live music gigs had disappeared. All the live music venues were shut down. So I was spending a lot more time in my home studio. And at the same time, I was also starting to do some live streams with my good friend and collaborator, Jimmy Baldwin. And in addition to doing my own live streams, I was also watching other people do their own live streams as well. And I came to notice that a lot of them were simply shot with their phones using the built-in microphone. And so that's what kind of prompted me to start posting some tutorial videos on how musicians could kind of get some better quality sounding live streams using our home studios. So that's kind of how it all started. And then from there, I started posting more about Logic Pro and music production, which is really kind of what I'm passionate about. So it's really been 5 to 6 years that I've had this channel going. And the main reason that I've kept creating videos, it's really all the encouraging comments I've been receiving from you, letting me know that my videos have been helpful. So, just getting that feedback that people are enjoying the videos and that it's helping them in their music journey, that's really all the motivation I need to keep putting these videos out there. I'm certainly not one of the flashiest YouTube guys out there, but, people tell me that that's one of the main reasons why they like the channel is I try to explain things as simply as possible and just get right to it without kind of overcomplicating things or just making it all about showing off some new crazy technique. I try and stick with things that are kind of fundamental and help create music in an uncomplicated way. So if you're watching this and if my style of teaching resonates with you, well, I'm truly glad that you've chosen to watch the videos and give me your time. And I can't thank you enough for that. And as a small thank you for helping me reach this milestone, I'm running a giveaway of my flagship course, Logic Pro, the Musician's Guide. So there'll be a link in the description, which will take you to a page on my website. And all you have to do to enter is just put in your name and email address. And once the contest closes in 2 weeks, then I'll announce the winner and as well contact you directly via email to let you know that you've won. If you're not familiar with my Musician's Guide course, I'll just give you a real quick rundown here. So this is what the course looks like. And this course is geared towards anyone from beginner to intermediate. So if you've used Logic a little bit, that's great. If you haven't and just getting started, well, that's okay too, because I start right from the beginning. So in the first module, it's just all about getting you set up and getting to know the interface a little bit. And then from there, we move on to pre-production. And I'll mention that the course is all about making music. So this isn't about just little tips and tricks here and there. This is following a path of how you can take a song from the beginning stages all the way to the end, the mastering stage. So just real quick, for example, the first pre-production lesson, I give a preview of the demo that we start with, and it sounds like this. So just piano and vocal. And fast forward to the end. So we got a pre-production, go over all the session musicians, and then recording. So we're recording real instruments, guitar, bass, and vocals, and then show you how to edit all those, and then how to mix and master all those tracks. And then the final lesson, mastering, I'll just give you a little peek of how that track turned out. So if that seems something that could be helpful to you, then just follow the link and enter the giveaway. As I said, I'll announce that in 2 weeks' time. So once again, I just want to give a heartfelt thank you for being a part of this community on YouTube. And I hope you stick around and keep watching. Now, before I let you go, if you could do me a favor and just let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see from my channel going forward. Maybe this is videos you've seen in the past that you'd like to see more of, or something I haven't covered yet that you'd like to see me cover. Whatever it is, I would love to know so that I can help you to keep creating your best music in your home studio. And if you haven't already and you want to improve your workflow in Logic Pro, don't forget to download my Ultimate Logic Pro Starter Pack. This includes my Logic Pro Hotkey Cheat Sheet with all the most common shortcuts that are ready that you can reference right at your fingertips. It also includes my gear guide, so you know exactly the gear you need to get started. It includes my audio recording checklist so that you can make sure that you go through the checklist and have a flawless recording session. It includes my mixing guide, which references all the most common mixing plugins in Logic Pro that you can reference as well. And lastly, my Logic Pro session templates to give you a starting point when you sit down at your computer to create music. So once again, a sincere and heartfelt thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.